Hello friends, welcome to Krishna's tutorial. In this video we can see how to schedule a backup for an EC2 instance. So this can be done using the lifecycle manager option in EC2. So just scroll down, you can see the Elastic Block Store. In Elastic Block Store you can see the lifecycle manager option. So you can open it, new tab. I'm going to schedule a backup for this test VM instance. So go to the lifecycle manager. So here you can see the three policy types: EBS Snapshot Policy, EBS backed AMI policy, and cross account copy event policy. So the EBS Snapshot Policy will take the backup of the particular volumes as a snapshot. So the EBS backed AMI policy will take a complete AMI image of the instance. So we can choose based on a requirement. So if you want the backups of each volumes, you can use this EBS Snapshot Policy. In case you need the backup as a AMI image, you can use the second option. So we can choose the EBS Snapshot Policy first. So click next step, and next you need to select the target resource type. So I'm going to choose the instance. So it will take the backup of all the volumes in that particular instance. If you're going to schedule backups for particular volumes, you can choose the volume type. I'm going to choose the target as instance, and in this key you need to select the name and enter the value as the test VM which you are going to add now. So click add. So now it is added now. You can use the default IAM role for this schedule, and if you need any tags you can add the tags. And I'm going to enable this policy status, so keep it as enabled. And if you want to exclude the root volume, you can exclude using this option. I'm not going to exclude it, so I'm not going to enable this option. Click next. The policy description, you need to give the name for it. So I'm going to give the volumes backup. So next you need to give the schedule timing. So you can give the schedule name as you want. So the frequencies, I'm going to take the daily backup, so you can choose it daily. And if you want the custom cron expression, you can use it, or you can select the weekly monthly option. And you can choose the hours in which the schedule should be executed. I'm going to choose it as 24 hours. So only one backup or every day will be saved here. So you can give the UTC time for this, to when to start this policy. I'm giving the default 9 AM UTC. In this retention type you need to mention the snapshot counts. So in case you need 3 backups, you can choose it as 3. If you give one day one snapshot, it's just take the particular date snapshot and remove the old one. So I'm going to give 2, so 2-day snapshot will be available. So if you want to copy the tags, you can copy it from the source. I'm not going to copy it. And if you want this additional options, you can add it here. I'm not going to choose any additional options here. So you can review policy and then create policy. So now we can see it is enabled. I can see the policy ID as we have successfully scheduled our backup for the EC2 instance. So in the next video I will show you the backups of this particular VM, the snapshot backup. In this video we saw how to schedule a backup for a EC2 instance.